Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will be giving you some information regarding the offshore PPC management. So at Softtrix we do have like 15 plus years of experience working on the PPC side of things. We have given the white label services to thousands of agencies like yourself. The main thing with us is that we do have the workforce who can take care of almost all the tasks related to the PPC side of things. We have our own best practices that we follow on daily basis. That's the reason that the agencies to whom that we are giving the white label services, they actually stay with us for the longer time, and because of the results that we give to them for their clients, that's the reason that they always give us the new client whenever they have them. But on the other side of things, whenever you need basically the help of Softtrix related to the Google Ads account which you have the access, and then you are just not getting the results, you can contact us for the free audit. For the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and then what you need to do, so that you can see the results from the client. But on the other side of things, we can also help you in making some proposals for your new prospect, wherein you can just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We should be able to get back to you with the proposal on how you can bring in some more clients for that one. And that's how we will be able to get started with the new projects all the time. And then we will be able to share with you some case studies that we have done the campaigns for various agencies by giving them the white label services. Also, we will be showing you some of the testimonials that we have from our white label partners.
Hi there, I just wanted to give some feedback on my experience working with the Softtrix team. It's been wonderful. He and the whole team is so attentive. I hear from them every week, sometimes every day. The business has certainly increased. I can see the views are much, much higher than they ever were before I started using them for SEO, Google Ads, PPC. And he's just super helpful. I'm new a little bit with this kind of stuff, and he breaks it down for me very well and explains everything to me, very patient with me. Every Monday I get an update on the keywords so that I can really follow along with what's happening. And overall, just a really nice, easy experience. He was referred to me by my friend Brooke, who also uses them for her company. So nothing but good things to say. Highly recommend.
They are pretty happy with our services, and they are with us from the longer run.